Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll begin by confirming two essentials: signed into Google and Slides AI enabled in Labs or Workspace. Once done, open a new presentation and pick 16, 9 or your preferred ratio so layouts match your output. Next, load 1 to 3 source items, a simple outline, a few images, or speaker notes, because the AI uses those as context. Start the AI sidebar, choose a slide range, and give a concise prompt telling it the purpose and audience to generate your initial slides. Once the AI generates a draft, focus on refinement. Instruct it on tone, text length, and specific calls to action so content aligns with your audience. Make iterative edits, ask for shorter bullets, rewrite headlines, or request more creativity. Then modify visuals, swap layouts, change fonts and color accents to match branding, and let AI propose image options. If images need fixing, apply mask and crop or upload replacements. Throughout, keep prompting for incremental improvements rather than a full rewrite to preserve structure. To finish, proofread slide text and speaker notes, confirm alt text for images, and export to PDF or PPTX if required. Then rehearse in present mode, set slide timings, and enable captions for accessibility. If the AI produces inconsistent phrasing, ask for uniform voice and regenerate those slides only. If the tool stalls or fails, sign out then back in, clear cache, or simplify your prompt to a single change. Often regenerating a targeted slide fixes issues without losing.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.